Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Super P from Alphabet Lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Let's start by drawing a line down, then at the bottom, let's curve it out and back in slightly. Now from the top, let's curve it out to the right, down, and back in like this. And then underneath this line, let's step in and then draw a small curve. Now let's move over to the bottom left and let's draw a curve down, in, and then straight down. And now let's do the same thing on the right side. And then let's close off the bottom with a curve. And that's it for the shape of the letter P. Let's move to the top now and draw the eyes. Starting from the top left, let's draw a curve up. And then continue it up and back down. Next, let's draw the right eye. Let's start on the top right and draw a curve up, over, and back down. Next, inside the left eye, let's draw a curve at the top here. And then a curve inside the top of the right eye. And then let's color both of these sections in black. Now inside each eye, let's draw a curve down on the right side. And now a large oval inside on the left, and a curve in the right eye. Next, let's move down and let's start with an oval. And then a circle below it here. And next, let's add the pupil by drawing curves behind like this. And now let's color these in black. And lastly, on both eyes, let's add 2 eyelashes on the outside. And that's it for the eyes. Let's move down and draw the mouth next. Let's start inside at the top here and let's draw a curve down and to the left. And then a small curve at the end. Next, across the top section here, let's draw a curve over and up like this. And then the same thing below it. Next, let's add the gem on top. Let's start on the right side here and let's draw a curve up and back down like this. And then add a circular curve at the bottom. And then let's add a border around this. And now let's erase the overlapping lines inside. And lastly, at the bottom, let's add some detailed lines. Let's add an S-shaped curve on the bottom left, a small curve next to it, and then a curve on the right. And that's it for Super P. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!